Have you ever wondered why some apps update instantly while others shut down completely just to add one small feature? The answer lies in a single word that confuses almost every beginner in tech: downtime. And today, you'll understand exactly what it means through the story of one young engineer named Ryan. Ryan had just completed his graduation from Stanford University. One fine morning, he received an email from Star Trek Technologies inviting him for a software engineer interview referred by his university. He was thrilled, excited, and full of hope. As he prepared for the interview, one unfamiliar term stopped him completely: downtime. Ryan had no idea what that meant. Curious, Ryan reached out to the one person who always explained things clearly: his Uncle Max, a senior software engineer. Uncle Max smiled and said, "Downtime is a specific time frame when a company temporarily stops a part of its system to deploy new updates or fixes. This mostly happens because many old systems were built using the waterfall model." He gave an example. Cisco, a global leader in networking, originally used the waterfall model for its subscription billing platform, SVP. But after switching to Agile Methodology, defects dropped by 40% and defect removal efficiency rose by 14%. Ryan was shocked. A change in methodology could do that. Uncle Max continued, "The waterfall model treats the whole product as one big unit. Each phase starts only after the previous one ends. So adding a new feature or fixing an old one requires a dedicated downtime period to avoid disruptions. If you make changes in the middle of a waterfall project, you risk breaking the entire workflow and producing irrelevant or faulty results." He explained, "Waterfall is simple and structured with clear prerequisites and documentation, but the final product is available only after the entire development cycle. And if something goes wrong, you have to redo the entire series of steps again and again." Uncle Max gave a relatable example. Think of a tap-and-pay machine. It validates your balance before it initiates the transaction. Waterfall works the same way. One step must finish before the next can begin. Ryan finally understood. Ryan then asked, "Is there a better way?" Uncle Max nodded. "Yes, that's why Agile methodology exists. Instead of treating the entire product as one block, Agile breaks it into microservices or small phases. Each part can be built, tested, and updated independently. No waiting, no dependency, no downtime. Agile products evolve continuously without stopping the system. How is Agile developed? Using the Agile lifecycle. First, the product is introduced in a real environment to gather feedback from clients and stakeholders. After improvements, it is officially launched. Agile focuses on customer satisfaction, efficient use of resources, and eliminating unnecessary risks. Uncle Max added, "Beta versions like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator are classic examples of Agile. Real users test early features and help shape the final product." Ryan wondered if companies truly use Agile today. Uncle Max smiled again. "Absolutely. Many companies are shifting to Agile because it's flexible, fast, and reliable. For example, when Sony adopted Agile for their interactive systems, planning time reduced by 28%. Downtime dropped dramatically, and they saved nearly $30 million a year." Ryan was impressed. Agile clearly wasn't just a trend, it was a transformation. Now, here's a fun question for you. Which method is faster? A, Agile, B, Waterfall, C, both are equally fast, D, not sure, just guessing. Type your answer in the comments below. 3 lucky winners will get Amazon gift vouchers. Agile methodology aims to meet customer needs in a rapidly evolving world. With its flexible principles and powerful approach, Agile helps developers overcome the challenges of traditional waterfall development, making modern software faster, smoother, and more efficient. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. And here's your reminder to subscribe to our channel for more tech simplified content.